Hello everyone, this is your educator Priyanka Thakur. I'm teaching you life sciences and welcome you all on our YouTube channel Gurmantra Shikshaka Granth. So today in this video you are going to have a practice session on circulatory system. I have covered circulatory system in 4 parts. I hope you have watched each and every of the part. So in this video we are going to do some questions on the circulatory system. So as always you will be provided with 15 questions. Each question is of 2 marks, and there is 50% negative marking. You will be provided with a 45 seconds timer, and you have to score your you have to comment down in the comment box your score. Okay, so do not forget to comment your score in the comment box. Okay, must tell me it. I'm waiting for your scores, but most of the times you don't tell it. Okay, why? Because I think you are not scoring that much good as much you should be. ओके सो ओके ओके बहुत हो गया. शुरू से करते हैं. Hello everyone, this is your educator Priyanka Thakur. I'm teaching you life sciences and welcome you all on our YouTube channel Gurmantra Shikshaka Granth. So I have covered circulatory system in 4 different parts, in which I have covered each and everything about the circulatory system. If you have any kind of confusion, you can ask me through the comments. So let's have a practice session on the circulatory system. Let's see how much you have understand the particular topic circulatory system. So as always, there are 15 questions. So each question is of 2 mark. There will be 50% negative marking. You will be provided with a 45 seconds timer. You have to comment your score in the comment box. Good luck. Let's start with our first question, which is on your screens. Okay, time's up. Which type of circulated blood between the heart and the body cells? So you have covered it in your previous lecture. It's systemic circulation. Right answer is A. Next question on your screens. Which type of muscle fiber facilitate the conduction system? It's only autorhythmic fibers, not cardiac muscles. Okay, mainly it's autorhythmic fibers. Fine. You know what is autorhythmic fiber? They can be excited by their own. They do not require any external stimulus. Okay, it's mainly autorhythmic fiber. C is your right answer. Next question on your screens. Which of the following areas are supplied by the coronary circulation? All. Right atrium, interventricular septum, left ventricle, all of them are supplied by coronary circulation. D is your right answer. Next question on your screens. Which of the following statement is not true? Coronary arteries are branched from systemic capillary. This one is not true actually. Purkinje fibers spread impulses within the entire ventricle myocardium. This is true. Pulmonary circulation convert deoxygenated blood into oxygenated. This one is again true. Pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood. All the statements are true except one. So A is your right answer. Next question on your screens. At what point the impulses flow from atria to ventricles? AV node, SC node, bundle of His, right and left bundle branches. It's bundle of His. C is your right answer. Next question on your screens. Question is, which of the following carries the oxygenated blood? Which of the following carries? Superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, coronary sinus? None of these. I have already taught you the meaning of coronary sinus. None of them carries the oxygenated blood. D is your right answer. Next question on your screens. Which of the following does not increase blood pressure? Atrionatrial peptide, ANP, aldosterone, angiotensin, norepinephrine. So aldosterone, angiotensin, and norepinephrine, all of these increase the blood pressure except ANP. A is your right answer. Next question on your screens. And diastolic pressure is 60. See, what is the pressure found in atrium when not atrium but ventricles, when atrium pour all their blood into ventricles? It's 130, okay, ml. It's not diastolic pressure, I won't say it. Overall diastolic volume, it's 60 ml. Why? Because total 130 is present. Each ventricle then pump out 70 ml, and the volume that is left is 60 ml. It is left after the ventricles are relaxed and they have pumped out some volume of blood into aorta and pulmonary trunk. 60. B is your right answer. Next question on your screens. What is pulse pressure? It's 40 mm Hg. Okay. A is your right answer. I have already covered this thing in my previous video, so do watch that video to know about pulse pressure. A is your right answer. Next question on your screens. When heart stops beating, this condition is called cardiac arrest. Coronary heart disease, heart attack, and heart failure are different conditions when heart stop beating. This is what we call cardiac arrest. B is your right answer. Next question on your screens. Which of the following blood clotting factor is called fibrin stabilizing factor? Its clotting factor 13. 13 clotting factor 13 is called fibrin stabilizing factor. D is your right answer. Next question on your screens. Vein that transport blood from one capillary network to the another is called portal vein. C is your right answer. Next question on your screen. Chordae tendineae are responsible for controlling the bicuspid and tricuspid valve opening closing, joining papillary muscles to atrioventricular valves, transporting blood from the ventricles to atrium. Actually, chordae tendineae uh, it connect the cusps of the valves to the papillary muscles with, and both this papillary muscles and chordae tendineae and then control the valves closing and opening. Okay, they fix them to their position and do not allow them to swing in and out in between atrium and ventricles just like an umbrella. Okay, so D is your right answer. Next question on your screens. Which of the following is not found in the wall layer of the heart? Wall layer of the heart is composed of tunica interna, media, and externa, but tunica albuginea is not found in the wall layer of the heart. So, is your right answer. Last question on your screens. Which of the following forms the first line of defense? It's neutrophils. D is your right answer. Neutrophils form the first line of defense. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the section. This not section but session. In the next video, we are going to start with most probably with excretory system. Stay tuned with us. If you want to take the subscription of an academy for the preparation of your CSIR NetJR of June 2021, you can see the detail of paid classes on your screens. If you want to get a 10% off, you can use the raffle code of our ma'am, Neha Taneja ma'am, which is Neha. You can go there and follow her. With this, you can also subscribe to our channel where we are trying to cover a few very important topic of GATE life sciences. If you want to join us anywhere else, then you can check out the description box where you will get the links to our different platforms. On a single click, you will be there with us.